The DOT Department of Telecommunication has banned all the Chinese equipment makers from participating in 5G trials. The committee has banned Chinese vendors, including Huawei and ZTE, from the 5G trial and action process in the India. Nokia 2.4 tipped to be announced at IFA 2020. It has 2 GB of RAM and it will run on Android 10. Huawei MatePad 10.8 key features reveals ahead of July 30 launch. It has 10.8-inch tab with 2K resolution, 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, Kirin 990 processor, 7500 mAh of battery, quad speakers with 3D stereo effects, 13 megapixel plus 8 megapixel camera, and it support M Pencil stylus, and sale starts in August 8, 2020. Sony HT-G700 soundbar launched in India at price of 39,999. BSNL reintroduces 200 Mbps broadband plan in the Telangana circle till October 19, 2020. Mysterious Xiaomi smartphone with 10,000 mAh battery spotted online. The smartphone has been found listed on Chinese regulatory website Tena, revealing some key features and design languages. 5.7-inch HD plus LCD display, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, and 6 GB 128 GB of storage options, and 8 GB 256 GB of storage options, and 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel cameras, and it has 305 grams. OnePlus Nord with Snapdragon 690 processor reportedly in works. Tecno Spark 6 Air to launch in India on July 30 in Amazon. It has 6.6-inch HD plus display, MediaTek Helio A25 processor, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. It has quad rear camera, 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and it has 8 megapixel front megapixel camera, and it has 6000 mAh of battery. Asus ROG Phone 3 sale starts in 6th August 12 pm. It has 8 GB plus 128 GB of storage. The price is 49,999 rupee. Xiaomi Mi TV stick to be launched on August 5 in India. The Mi TV stick is a portable streaming device that connected to a television via an HDMI port. Nubia Red Magic 5S announced with 144 Hz refresh rate display. It has Snapdragon 865 processor. It has up to 16 GB of RAM, FHD plus AMOLED display, 4005 mAh battery with 55 watt fast charger. It has 64 megapixel back camera and 8 megapixel of front camera. It has approx 40,630 rupee in China. It has 16 GB and 256 GB of storage options. Amazfit Beep S Lite launched in India for 3,799 rupee, and it has 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, 200 mAh of battery capacity. It sale starts in Flipkart. Realme offer reveals like the real face of 28th to 31st July. Realme 6 is 15,999 and 55 is 10,999 and 6 Pro is 17,999 and C3 is 8,999 and C2 is 6,999 rupee. Some M31s sale starts in 6th August in Amazon. The price of 6GB plus 128GB storage is 19,499 and 8GB 128GB storage is 21,500 rupee. It has two color options, Mirage Black and Mirage Blue. It has support Android 10. Asus launched its ZenBook 13 and 14 and VivoBook S14 and K14. ZenBook 13 is 1.3 kg and priced at 80,000 rupee and 14 is 80,000 rupee in Amazon and VivoBook S14 is 68,000 rupee in Amazon and VivoBook K14 is 40,000 in Amazon.